Hi, this is Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and you had seen in a previous post the picture, the photo that my grandson sent me that he wants me to do the painting of Superstition Mountain, and you saw my little thumbnail sketch. And I decided not to do a color study before I went to sketching this canvas. This is an 18 by 24 canvas, and I sketched for 5 hours. I'm slow. I'm not that good at it yet, and it will be abstract when it's done, but you can tell if you look real close that this mountain has a lot of jagged edges, and there's a lot more to it than you might think by looking at the photo. And so I'm just giving you kind of a bird's eye view of, I may put a Palo Verde tree in it there. There's going to be some cholla cactus along the front. I may put a couple of Palo Verde trees in the distant background, because this is a 6,000 foot high mountain in Arizona. It's east of Phoenix near Apache Junction, and it's called Superstition Mountain. It has quite a story if you want to look it up. But that's the full sketch with the thumbnail sketch and the picture of the painting. And next is I get to put paint on the canvas. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm gonna put the dark values in first, and I'll probably do a video and show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna be real loose, I think, and we'll see how it turns out. I think it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be so excited. Thank you so much. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and ring the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified of new videos as they're published. And again, this is a sketch, a real sketch. I did a grid, and I even did grids inside the grid on the picture, and then you can see the little marks where I did 4 inside the grid, and that helped me even further. So I did the 3x4 sections, and then in each section I split it into 4. That way I could try to get the areas in the jagged rocks in the mountain as close to its correct form. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next painting video, and we'll start with some paint. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.